What's going on, everyone? Today's the 22nd of August, 2023. Wall Street, as they always do, has came out and revealed a stunning price target for AMD. And I wanted to show you all what they're saying the price is going to go for AMD versus what the chart is trying to say. Okay, so let's look at this article right here from Finbold. Wall Street sets AMD stock price for the next 12 months. That's kind of odd. You have so many people on YouTube giving you targets for the next 5, 10, 15 years, but we have actual individuals who work on Wall Street and they only give you 12 months. I wonder why, but don't worry about that. Let's get to the targets that these analysts are talking about for AMD. All right, so let's look at this. Wall Street analysts believe the AMD stock has more room to grow. As always, you know their recommendations rarely even hit a sell recommendation, which is why they put up a high price target for the next 12 months. The average analyst target price sees a 34% gain. I know many of you are going crazy like, yes, let's see AMD stock run up 34%. Analyst consensus at tip ranks is a strong buy, of course. For the AMD stock, based on 32 people in the last 3 months, their average price target is $141, higher than the current price of 105. So let's run out and go buy AMD right now, right? Because 32 people is simply saying that AMD is a strong buy. That is asinine. Don't let 32 people dictate your strategy. If what these 32 people, their analysis doesn't follow the chart, then those 32 people are wrong. See, think about it. We have thousands of individuals participating in AMD on a day-to-day basis. Why would you hinge your strategy of making money off of 32 people when you already know that their interest is not in your favor? You already know that they work for other people, and that's where their interest lies. Those individuals pay those analysts to drop these targets, to drop these buy recommendations. No one would pay an analyst to drop negative price targets. Here it is right here. You guys can see it. A strong buy. 32 analysts in the last 3 months. 25 has a buy rating and 7 has a hold. What's the point of tip ranks? Because many of these stocks have the same type of outlook. You'll definitely see more buy ratings than you would sell. Okay, so cool. I get it. They're in it to make money. And the only way that you could really make money in the stock market is by showing positive returns. It's by having positive outlooks on company stock. So here it is right here, though. Their target was what? $141, which is around 34% run up. But look at what I've been doing in AMD myself off of the chart alone. I don't pay attention to these analysts because they will put you on the wrong side. Now, they have given a target 12 months away, right? So let's look at AMD on 12 months. Okay. So here's AMD in 12 months. This 12-month price bar right here is the cause as to why AMD may not hit $141. It attempted it already in the first 7-8 months of this year alone. The high was $132.83. Is that not close enough for you? Or do you think it has more room to hit $141? Because off of this 12-month price bar, the one that is currently forming, I'm definitely seeing sellers in the market in AMD right now. Here it is on the 6th. What do you think? Let's take it back to the daily and let's talk about it, because I did a price prediction in AMD. I update on the 3rd of August, right? And I was still bearish. Well, I did it on the 3rd of August. My price prediction was just right here. And I was telling you all that the market was weak, and here it is. Price has gone down in AMD. And I want you all to notice right there on August the 18th, the market almost came down to test our trend line. I do call that successful. It didn't hit our ultimate area TP of $99 or $100. It came close on the 18th of August with a low of 101.68. So $1.68 away from us hitting target. I get it, but it's close enough for me to say that we hit target. 7.43%. All right, so congratulations to those who was able to do that. Now, those analysts are looking for a price in AMD to run to 141, right? So let's go ahead and put this up here just as a reference. Okay. And let's look at AMD real quick. Do you think the market is bullish now? Because generally, we're not bullish. It's like a squeeze is about to occur. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me cut this out the way. And then we're going to use this line to reflect what the price in AMD is trying to do for real. Right? So this is where the squeeze is going to occur. This is where the decision is going to be made as to whether or not these analysts are correct in their targets or not. Because as we anticipate this market in AMD to run up to 115, if it gets rejected again on this downtrend line, those Wall Street analysts, those 32 people who has a strong buy rating, or the 25 individuals who have a buy rating for AMD, they will have egg on their face. So we're still seeing the market trend down. Like, let's not get amped. Let's not get hyped and saying that the price in AMD is massively bullish, because it's not yet. We need to see the market in AMD break this downtrend line first. Now, it is kind of bullish though, because these last 4 days in trading for AMD, we have seen the price buyers come in around 105. Here it is on the 3. Okay, I like the 3-day price bar too, for us to see the market inch higher. Take a look at this on the 5. Again, this is a probable precursor of strength, meaning that in the next 5 days, we want to see the market in AMD go up. Here it is on the weekly chart though. It's where you need to kind of pump the brakes into how bullish you're going to be in the market in AMD, because this is definitely not bullish the last 2 weeks. Just saying. Okay. Now, in the conclusion of this 2-week price bar here, it would be fantastic for us to have the market in AMD break above this level. We want to see the market break to the upside above 109, 110, and nest and hold support there in order for those analysts to be correct. So in the next 3 days, it's going to be crucial. Next 4 days, it's going to be real important for us to see this market in AMD close above 110, because if it does, or 109, if it does, then I will have to be bullish into the market for sure. Because look at this on the 3 weeks. Charts don't lie. We have an indicator of weakness triggered on a 3-weekly time frame. See, you really don't see indicators triggered in stock on 3 weeks price bars. And when you do, that's when you need to pay attention, right? So let's see what's going to happen into the market in AMD going forward. Now, on a shorter time frame, yes, I am going to look for the price in AMD to go up, but these will be my targets. All right. My first target for AMD is going to be here. It's going to be like at 113. So like 113.20, 113.25. That's 3.71% market move there. My second target is going to be up here at 115, which is 5.4%. That is how high I'm going to take the market. Maybe 116 as a third, which is 6.25. That's it. I need to get confirmation of price breaking this downtrend line first before I extend my targets. See, I'm not crazy. I'm not going to give you all a price target 141 in the next 12 months. When in fact I can tell off the chart that we cannot even see AMD break 115 on a daily time frame, let alone a monthly time frame. So this is what I'm looking at right now. And as we continue to see this market in AMD trade, we just simply extend our targets. Okay. So let me do that. And As long as the market in AMD really holds the low that occurred on the 18th, that's how we're going to continue to be buyers into the stock. That is it. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.